Hi friends, my name is Sharath and I'll be host here for today evening. And I'll be walking you through with the program that we are offering here. And all the people who are actually in the stream of data, whether it is data analytics, data science, machine learning, data engineering, right? It could be various streams of data. But if you have chosen data as your career, then you're in the right path. Because if you look around, everything that we are doing is on digital platform, and that digital platforms are creating a lot of touch points, data points about us. And this data becomes very crucial for businesses to understand about each and every customer so that they can provide a personalized service to each and every customer. That way, they can engage the customers and ensure that there is a longer relationship established between the business and the customer. Now, as part of this particular program, we are trying to look out for how do you actually get a job. Now, a lot of you people have already started learning machine learning or data analytics related skill sets, right? Or you might have already probably studying right now. So the point is a lot of you people have theoretical knowledge, but in order to gain the practical exposure, you will have to work on a project. Now, these projects that we are offering here are not projects picked up from various online platforms. There are a lot of very, very exciting projects on the platforms like Kaggle, for example. But if you look into this, either they are a competition or you have readily available solutions for these data points. And they will be having limited right resources that you can actually experiment on. Now, this project that we will be offering you is a real-time project, a customer-facing project that our team does. Now, when I say our team, we at 360DigiTMG are associated with a company called Innodatatics, and in collaboration with this company, 360DigiTMG is launching this free internship program for everybody in the space of data analytics, data science. All you have to do is register and learn the new skills, practice on the skills that you probably are already familiar with, and then implement those skills on the use case, on the problem statement that we will be assigning it to you. You probably are a working professional. You are probably from college. You are registering for this program for doing your internship. That is mandatory internship for your eighth sem, that is the final year, or maybe third year. It could be right from any section of these examples that I've quoted. You can come from any of these backgrounds. You would basically be working on the machine learning, the data analytics related concepts on business data. This free internship program that we are offering is coming in two phases. It will be in total for 45 days. And these 45 days are further broken down into two phases. It will span for more than 150 hours or 160 hours, I should say, for the total internship program that you are going to spend. So in 45 days, you will be learning a lot of things and then implementing. The first 25 days will be the learning phase. This is what is expected from you, friends. The first 25 days is learning phase. In the learning phase, we will be providing you with a lot of learning videos, learning material. And these learning materials are also strategically shared with you people so that you have ample time to go through them and practice on the concepts. For example, we will have data science or machine learning related modules, right? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, that is descriptive analytics or predictive analytics related videos. You'll also have to go through SQL programming related videos. Python is one of the important platform programming language that you will have to learn. So you will be providing a video on that particular concept. These things will help you to learn new concepts or help you to practice something that you're already familiar with. Any languages, if you don't practice, you tend to forget, whether it is your commonly spoken English language or programming language. So from that perspective, you'll have to practice. Next, this is very important. What is the guarantee that I'll be going through these videos? You might have this question, right? Okay, learning videos, we'll skip it. We'll tell that we have watched it. We are going to observe your progress, and we are also going to evaluate your progress. That means there will be exam. Now, when I say exam, don't expect it to be an MCQ-based question, friends. Remember that. This will be a short answer or long answer type questions. So when we ask questions, the expectation is that you have to give the answer in a very, very detailed manner. I'll show you the examples of how some of our students have already done this exercise. Now, these questions are implemented or asked on LinkedIn. You may be wondering why LinkedIn. Friends, LinkedIn is the most important platform for your professional careers. LinkedIn is the top portal for sourcing the profiles. Companies are looking for good profiles in LinkedIn only. LinkedIn is the source to validate your credentials. Because over LinkedIn, you're not going to fake anything, right? You're going to showcase your true skills because it is publicly available and you cannot write any inappropriate or the skill sets or the experiences that you don't possess. So there will be a validation, there will be a trust. And that is one of the reasons why employers, companies are looking into profiles in LinkedIn. So you all have to create a LinkedIn profile, mandatory. And then you'll have to subscribe to 360DigiTMG channel in the LinkedIn. And then you'll have to write the answers on this platform, on this LinkedIn platform. This way, we are ensuring that your LinkedIn profile is active and up to date. So when companies come to your LinkedIn page, they will see your activity. They will understand that, yes, this person is active and he is pursuing the specific skill sets. That creates confidence in the employees. So it is mandated. And this exercise will ensure that you are keeping your personal LinkedIn account also active and up to date. So this is one way to help you build your profile in the right way. People who are actively participating or answering all the questions, we are tracking that. And we will be able to also see that their profile gets more weightage, more views. All right. So you will have to participate in this. And after this is done, after this 25 days of practice is done, you would be given a next 20 days time to implement those skills. You might say that, hey, 20 days, is it sufficient? Yes, it is absolutely sufficient because you will be assigned with a mentor who is an industry expert, a data scientist from our side. And this resource, this data scientist with the rich experience that they possess, they will guide you, right, on what to do and what not to do. There are a lot of experience. They have implemented so many projects. So with that knowledge, with that experience, they will guide you on what should you do on day one, what should you do on day two, what should you do on day three, so on and so forth. And to ensure that everybody is working on the project and everybody is at the same speed, on a daily basis, there will be a meeting. Monday to Friday, weekdays, there will be a quick stand-up meeting. We will try to ensure that it is finished in 15 minutes so that everybody will get their own personal time to work on things, and we're not wasting too much of time in meetings. Strictly 15 minutes. And if you have any challenge in doing the task, you can always be vocal and explain your challenge in that meeting. But if you are following the rules, instructions, and completing the task, then trust me, you'll not get many issues, maybe one or two issues, not more than that. And you will be able to successfully complete the project with confidence. Your commitment is very much required here. Don't just do it for the sake of doing it because it is free. It is your career. You'll have to be serious about it. And this is a platform which is helping you to ensure that the first step into the industry is taken. Right? This gives you that first baby step into the industry from your academia. Now, once you're done with this, you'll also get a certificate, friends. You'll be getting a certificate of completion. This is an example of certificate. It may change as well. Depending on the body that you have registered from, there will be a certificate from that organization. The dual certificate will be there. So you would basically be getting a certificate upon completing the project successfully. And as I told, this is a completely free program. So please spread the word, help your friends, family members who are actually trying to build their careers in this particular exciting world of data science. Now, I want to give you a glimpse of what exactly we are talking about. This particular session that we are having here, you're attending, that is happening on 360DigiTMG YouTube channel, and this is the website. You have learning resources on the website. You can just click on 360DigiTMG and come to the web page. Learning resources will help you give digital book for data science, and it is exciting, friends. This book is actually very interesting book. This is a workbook that we created based on, again, our experiences, and what you see is examples with images. So all the concepts are tried to be explained using these kind of interesting images so that the concepts are very easily absorbed. Now, you want to grab this book. All you have to do is come here. Under the learning resources, you have digital book. We have mind maps. If I click on mind map, you can see these mind maps will help you to quickly remember things. These are all like cheat sheets, cheat codes. Whatever you are learning, all these things are available here. In fact, these are more industry oriented. This gives you a better understanding of the subject rather than only textbookish knowledge. You have multiple mind maps. You can also have Python programming fundamentals. College students, you have definitely one exam with respect to Python in your academia, in your academics. You might want to keep this handy. It will help you to understand the concepts in a very, very easier manner. We also have various other things on the learning resources page. Interview questions are there. If you're planning for applying for jobs in this or internships for this particular subject or in this field of data science, then you might want to click on this, and there are different subtopics on which the interview questions are given. The quiz is also available. You can register here, just access now, and it will give you a portal where you can register yourself and write exam. Multiple choice questions are there. Your resume preparation can also be assisted using this resume mapper. And there are very interesting animated learnings here. So look at this. Data types. So when we talk about data types, what are the various data that is available, which you might want to learn? All right. Then we have, let's say, if I go to probability. So this is with respect to probability distributions. The nice animated way color graphics are given, which help you to understand this concept easier. Right? Similarly, you have data preparation. You can also go through this in a video form, or you can also watch it in GIF. All right. So this is one of the first things that I would want you people to explore on the website. And if you scroll down, you can see the LinkedIn, YouTube, all these channels here. YouTube, I'm pretty sure you're already familiar with. And if you have not subscribed to YouTube, friends, I would recommend you to subscribe that. I'll give you a quick minute. Subscribe to this channel because we conduct a lot of free sessions here, live sessions here. Industry experts are there. Wonderful new technology concepts are also there. Kubernetes for machine learning, which is one of the trending topics in the industry right now. Data engineering, MLOps. Then we also have success stories. People have successfully got placed. How do they actually, right? How did they prepare? What did they do? In which companies they are working, right? How this project helped? What did they do? Right? So all these tricks are explained here. Resume building sessions are conducted. The projects that we work on, right? Our team works on a lot of projects. So one of the project mentors or project leaders will come and explain what did they do, right? And we also have this interesting, right? Latest of the trending topics, generative AI concepts. So all these are live sessions, and you might want to subscribe to get the notifications on all these new exciting concepts. It's not just the new topics, but you also have videos here, right? These are all different videos that you can actually go through. If you click on playlist, I'll go show you the playlist. If you click on the playlist, you can see generative AI, database for analytics, business analytics, R programming, machine learning model deployment related videos, right? Then you can talk about SQL, data science concepts, right? And we also have Python related videos, Excel videos. So a lot of these videos are there which can help you learn the concepts in a much effective manner. Right? This is me. You can see my videos are there, deployment videos. Python interview questions are there where we basically have interviewer asking questions to people who are trying to attend the interview, and they answer the questions, right? So this interesting videos are also there. So all these are available, friends. You might want to subscribe to YouTube channel to get all the details on all the videos. Now coming to the LinkedIn. So when I talk about LinkedIn, this is what you get. Let it open. It's taking a little while to open. Yeah, so this is the 360DigiTMG LinkedIn page, right? And you can see various posts that happen, right? Connect to this page. You will have to follow to this page. The link for this page will be shared in the chat window. You can click on it and follow on this, because you would be working on the questions which will be asked on LinkedIn only, right? So for example, this is how the question comes up. These are Python related questions. As a small example, I'm showing you how to create a customized module in Python. How can I use the regular expressions to check if a string contains a specific word? If you scroll down, look at this. These are all our participants. These are questions which are asked already. So you would have to answer this way. This is the expectation. Detailed answer has to be there so that you can also showcase your participation and saying that, hey, this is my contribution to the world of data analytics, and this is where I can contribute, right? And I'm interested to learn more in this particular area. And that gives the confidence to the interviewers. You might be wondering what kind of projects we'll be doing after completing the learning phase. These are again some examples I'll show you. This is one such example. I mean, this is a solution. I'm showing you the project deployment, right? I mean, the project presentation here. So what we do is, with respect to the machine, right? There will be machines in the manufacturing sector, obviously, right? So if a machine fails, you can see we are talking about factors contributing to failures, failure or not failure distribution. So in how many cases the machine failed? And analyzing this data, which is given by, which is collected from the machine itself, we will have to try and devise a solution which can come up with a strategy which can minimize the unplanned machine downtime. Because if machine goes down, the entire production comes down, isn't it? So this is one example project that our team has accomplished. This is another project where you can see in the poultry, we have a CCTV footage, and from the CCTV footage, we try to measure the health of the chicks, whether they are active or not active. What is the growth of these chicks in those 45 weeks that we're talking about? Right? So, 45 days of the growth. So if the chick grows beyond a specific cage, right, weight, then that means the growth of the chick is success, and then it is ready for market. So all this is monitored using videos and AI implementation. Now, these are the projects that our full-time students do it. Yeah, this is a project which is done by our full-time students. You will get an opportunity to do these kind of projects, friends. This is another very interesting project where manually counting the steel rods will be very, very difficult, isn't it? So our solution will go through the video that is taken on the field, on the construction site, and this AI solution will automatically count the steel rods, and this information is automatically updated into the database. On a daily basis, we will be able to track the steel rods as, right, the stock that is being deployed at the construction site. This way, we will be able to ensure that the required raw material is always available and it is tracked. So these are the kind of projects that our team does, friends. And what happens when you do these kind of projects? That is another very important question that you might want to ask. What is the benefit? If you look at this career transitions on 360DigiTMG website, if you scroll down, you will see career transitions. This is the main page, right? So if you scroll down like this, you will see career transitions. If you click on this read success stories, you will be able to see this page where a PDF document is given. And in this PDF document, all the alumni, right, all the students who have successfully got placed are updated along with their LinkedIn profiles. So this is the PDF I'm showing you. Now, why I'm showing this is because I want to inspire you, friends, by showing this information, as these people, majority of these people who are there on this PDF, they started their journeys as freshers. They joined us, they worked on the projects that I'm speaking about, and that's how they gained the required knowledge. And now they are placed in all big MNCs, big companies, not just in India, but we have people working in across the globe, right? Reputed companies' names are there here, you can see, right? And if you look at the YouTube channel that I was showing you, the success stories that we were talking about, here also you can see they recently conducted, 2 months back, we had one of our student who was, right, joined Dubai Emirates. We also have another person who is right working in Al Shaya, Dubai again. We have people working in Ernst and Young, right? So we have a lot of such reputed companies. Mercedes Benz, you can see, Infosys, UL Hospitals. So these are all reputed companies, friends. And these people have started like you only. Majority of you who are attending this session, you are freshers, right? So they have started as freshers. But now they are in very, very reputed companies in nice positions with 1 year, 2 years, right? And in fact, internship knowledge that they have accrued, they were successfully able to crack these interviews and got placed. This is something that we want to give to the community. And that is the reason why we are conducting this session. This is a CSR initiative, community service initiative, in collaboration with various organizations and bodies that we are conducting this free internship program. So subscribe to YouTube channel and LinkedIn page. Ensure you begin your journey into this exciting world of data related profiles. It could be data analyst, it could be data scientist, it could be data engineers, machine learning engineers, etc. So with that, I would conclude, friends. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate. You can always contact us. There will be the WhatsApp community. That WhatsApp community links will be shared. And of course, we will be adding you into those WhatsApp communities once you have registered for the program. All right. So thank you so much. There will be a form shared on the chat window, Google form. You can fill up that form and ensure that, right, you share your details with us, and we will be adding you into the WhatsApp groups. And from tomorrow onwards, your learning phase begins. So next 25 days, you would be under rigorous learning, and post that, you will be doing the hands-on. So congratulations once again for choosing the exciting world of data, and welcome to this free internship program. I'm very excited, personally very excited to meet and greet all the new young generation, and hope I will learn new things from you, friends. With that, I'm signing off. Thank you so much and good night.